Fitbit who tracks your calories. Yeehaw. Oh, this is gonna be some bad quality sound. I apologize, but I'm here in Texas. I'll be uploading this hopefully tomorrow. But hi, I'm just getting ready for the day, for the night. Brian and I are gonna be going out and just touring. Oh, there's a crumb in my hair, nice. Okay, Brian and I, he's sleeping right now, but we're just gonna be going out and touring Texas, going around, grabbing something to eat. We got here around 2. We stopped not midway through, but we stopped in Missouri, took a break there yesterday. We were there for 2 days. And now we're here, and I just sprayed my hair with a bunch of detangler. This stuff is amazing. This is the Monet Juniors. Hello, focus. Monet Juniors line. My sister sells this stuff, and I've been using this detangler ever since she gave it to me. I actually got some for Christmas. As you guys can tell, I have like fake lashes on, but I'm not gonna be doing anything too intense. I just put some moisturizer on. My face is super dry lately, and I'm like breaking out. Which, look at this zit, it just hurts. I don't know. It's currently like 50 degrees here, which is insanely nice. Because Brian and I, we were talking on the way here, we just left Minnesota and it was negative 50 degrees. That's probably a lot of you guys have heard on the news. And that's a 100 degree difference from here to my hometown. That's disgusting. That's why we want to move. It's negative. Some parts got to be negative 60 with wind chill. That's like scary. You're advised to not go outside. I think school is shut down for like 4 days. I don't know, stuff like that. It was pretty crazy, but we got out right in time. But anyway, I'm just getting ready. Like I said, we're gonna be looking at houses in our area. And yeah, I don't know, we're here for a couple days. It's like a mini vacation, but you know, we're here to film some stuff, take a lot of pictures, and just get out of Minnesota, honestly, so I'm excited about that. I'm just using the L'Oreal Lumi Lotion, and this is like amazing. It's medium glow, and it just gives myself a little base for a tan. Not for a tan, but it just warms up my skin. As you guys can tell, my skin is just like super red. I don't know. I just need a tan. I look so much better in the summer. I don't get as much acne. I just don't have like blotchy skin or anything. But on our way here, we drove through Oklahoma, Arkansas. I don't know. Arkansas really reminded me of like Montana. I've been there like a whole lot. I have some relatives that live out there. It was just windy roads with really pretty scenery. It's kind of crazy to think that everywhere I go now, I'm kind of like, ooh, would I live here? Or I would definitely not live here, you know. Because I never thought I'd be able to think about buying a home. I mean, I'm still thinking because it's still really scary, but. Okay, so I just put like a little colored brow gel in my hair. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. And then this is the only foundation I brought. So if I do a couple of get ready with me's, or I'm actually vlogging and I suck at it, but we're just going for it and, you know, trying to do the most here. Getting some good content, you know? Oh God, am I running out? Shit, I hate, but way too much. I know quite a few of my subscribers live in Dallas. Which is where I am right now, and I would love to know what areas we should visit or what would be fun to do, like what are fun things to do here. Obviously, we kind of looked up some stuff, but I don't know, it's always better to hear from locals, I think. Like in Minnesota, we always recommend, oh, go to the Mall of America, but you know, for us, it's just like, that's the mall we always go to, like we're all so used to it, and then people are just like, oh my God, it's so big, and I don't know. Nobody probably says that, but I feel like this doesn't match my neck, and I look horrible, and I'm going really hard right now. I'm honestly just gonna be like adding some concealer and powder, and that's it. Like I'm not doing too much to my face, because I don't really need to. Well, that's up for question, but I don't really want to. Because I just took a shower and washed my face and all that kind of stuff, but okay, so I'm just gonna be concealing my under eyes. that's about it. I'm taking this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I don't know why, I think I'm really like dehydrated, but I've been having really bad dark circles lately. It ain't attractive. Wow, I need a new sponge, that's kind of gross. It's like full of foundation. And I clean it, like I don't want to say I clean it, like get everything off of it, but every time I like wet it, I put soap on it. You know, and like somewhat clean it, I guess. I feel like I'm so boring with Get Ready With Me's. I feel like I need to start answering questions when I do Get Ready With Me's. It's just way more fun. But then there's a lot of weird people out there that just ask really weird questions. I was going to do a video where I read my DMs in ASMR. I thought that would be hilarious. I've seen other people do it before. And I was like, I get some pretty weird ones. I should do that. So I was thinking about it. Comment below if you'd want to see that. I think it'd be fun. I just need to start putting out more content because I don't know. I don't want to say I'm getting bored, but I kind of am with what I'm doing, which is sad to say. I can't, so because I just don't want to go back to some normal jobs. I feel like I'm just putting my makeup on like so roughly. Oh, it got all over my shirt. And one thing I forgot was like little mini like jackets or sweatshirts. Like I didn't bring any of those and I'm really frustrated because everybody knows my entire wardrobe is just crop tops. So I don't want to be looked at like a weirdo. Okay, it's 50 degrees here, which is really nice compared to where we just were, which is sad, but it's really nice. So it's kind of like crop top, like this is a crop top, not like tank top crop top, but like crop top, maybe a little jacket over it. And jeans weather. I've seen people in like beanies and snow jackets, or like winter jackets, and I'm just like, you guys are crazy. This is spring weather. That's another thing. I think I said this, but that's another thing. Brian and I just want to get away from the cold. Like I don't like the cold. You know, I don't mind it. I can deal with it, obviously, but I kind of have to deal with it. I would love to get away. One of my New Year's goals, I don't really make resolutions, but they're kind of goals, so it's kind of like the same thing to me, I guess. But was to travel more and also own a home by like 2020. So that's some big expectations. But I traveled more, so it's literally still January and I'm already got one off my list. I've been to 4 states already. I stayed at 2. I'm gonna say I've been to 2 states that I have never been to. So that's kind of fun and fresh. Ew. Okay, so I'm almost done. This is like definitely more of my casual makeup. But I'm gonna fill in a little bit of my brows because all I did was put in that like brow gel just to help with the shape. But I'm just gonna like really lightly fill them in. My makeup routine has been getting like worse and worse. Like I suck at what I'm doing lately. Which definitely not saying I was really good at my makeup, but I used to be like okay, like mediocre I guess. Alright, that's not too bad. It's a little bushy. We'll deal with it. And I feel like this lighting is throwing me off. I feel like I look really ashy right now. I don't know. Oh god. Shit. Dude, there's a Wingstop here and oh, I should get that tonight. I've only ever had it in Colorado. Bitch. First of all, I love wings. Well, I can't say that because I never get wings anywhere, but I like them when I get them, which is never. Honestly, it's like 3 times a year. I don't go out to eat anyway, so that's why. But when I was in Colorado last year, I got Wingstop for the first time, and bitch, it was amazing. It was so good. I hope Brian's not awake. He's not listening to me just be a weirdo and talk to myself. Okay, I think I want to do like a little lip liner here. Maybe like a darker one, or maybe that's too dark. I don't know. I'm surprised I even like brought all this stuff. I usually always forget to bring like most of my makeup, which obviously is frustrating. But okay, we're gonna line my lips with this nude beige liner from NYX. I literally have noticed I only use NYX liners and like pretty much all NYX lip products. I think it's just because it's cheap and you know it's a pretty good formula. Actually, I don't know anything about the formula. I just like it, you know. Ew, this makeup is, like I said, I'm literally just getting worse and worse. Oh god, that's a gross color. Are there shadows on my face? Has there been shadows on my face this entire time? Bitch. Ew. Oh my god, that like puking motion reminded me we were literally driving. I feel bad for laughing at it, but Brian was literally like, oh, I don't feel good. I'm like, oh, it's okay, like, you'll get through it. All of a sudden he rolls down the window, all I hear is just puking out the window. When he comes back in, and like, you know, from the window, he's like, Hannah, I puked on the side of your car. Like all apologetic. Ew, this does not look good. I feel like a hooker doing my makeup right now. Is that just me? Like, do I look like a hooker? A hooker with a Fitbit who tracks her calories. Yeehaw. That was bad. I'll show you guys my outfit here. I also need to dry my hair because I'm not going out looking like a wet rat, okay? But I'm not gonna show that on camera because you guys know how to dry your hair. Yeehaw. Should I wake Brian up? I don't know. Okay, one sec. Okay, this is horrible lighting. But like I said, I literally showed you guys in there. I'm wearing a black long sleeve crop top. There's Brian sleeping. He looks like a fetus. But I need to dry my hair and I'm just wearing, oh god, my camera almost fell. Fashion over. Those black shoes right there. I don't really know what else. This is my hotel. That's all I'm gonna show you guys really. We're back in the bathroom. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this little get ready with me. Make sure, I don't know, you're subscribed to my channel if you like these videos. You guys know I am here in Texas, so I'm gonna be posting a lot of pictures on Instagram. In fact, I already took a bunch while I was on this little like picture break. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on here, YouTube, and then subscribe. No, follow me on Instagram at hannahgarske. It's on the screen. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to let me know where Brian and I should go, what are fun places to do, see, stuff like that. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully soon.